What's up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo coming at you. Got some mail day for you. So you're gonna look at this box. This is what it came in. This is a cool box. Ouija Macc has his own print on his packaging. How you like that? How cool is that? So I waited very impatiently for this. I ordered the jersey the second go around. I missed out on the pre-order. I ordered the sweater, shirt combo. So here we have it. This is the Ouija Macc Wasteland order. There's my jersey, the CD, and the bandana, the shirt, and the sweater. So we'll save the jersey for last. You can't say the best for last because they're all great. The shirt itself is great. The sweater is great. Same design as the shirt, but it's hooded. Hoodie sweater pullover. Got all the Ouija's characters on the sleeve there. I can't really show them off because the sleeve doesn't want to cooperate. Look at that. That's on the sleeve of the hoodie. Both sides. Pretty cool. There's the back of the sweater. Ouija Macc Wasteland. Same thing on the shirt. Got the baby Ouija Macc sticker. I also ordered, because I didn't order it, I missed the pre-order for this one. Little Ouija character. Another baby Ouija Macc sticker. And the Wasteland sticker. I ordered Zodiac. I was on the fence because it was only 8 tracks. $20 for 8 tracks is quite a bit. But hey, I gotta keep my CD collection going. Here it is, folks. We walked to the wasteland and we finally arrived. Here's the bandana, the Ouija Macc bandana. Wasteland. Now on the CD book, it comes, like everyone already knows, Ouija Macc poster autographed. So there's the autograph. There's the track list. Songs with all the characters. There's what's underneath it. Here's the CD itself. There's his glyph with the Hatchet Man. Now, this jersey right here, second pressing, like I said. But that is all right there is a huge embroidery patch. So glad I ordered this thing right there. That's all embroidered patch. Same thing. Then on the back, you got the Ouija Macc 17. That's all patched too. Gotta love it. This is a huge bomb ass jersey. If you didn't get it, you missed out, because this is great work. This thing's gonna last me for years, so I'm so glad I ordered it. So there you have it, folks. The jersey, the Ouija Macc poster autograph, the CD, the shirt, the bandana, the sweater, Zodiac, and a bunch of stickers. That was my Ouija Macc pre-order Wasteland. I hope you enjoyed this unpackaging. Whoop whoop, much motherfucking clown love.